We are facing a house where variable roof profiles create a play of volumes and spaces inside, turning it into a sensory experience. We arrive in Hospet, Karnataka, India. The facades are shielded from direct sunlight from the west and the south, while the north-facing site allows for open views. Local vegetation, a wide sky, and the dominant presence of light and heat demand careful architectural measures for natural comfort. At Hosapete Mane House, the interplay of volumes and roof shapes not only the form but the entire atmosphere. Roofs with varying heights, sloped profiles, and animated sections that transform as you move, all designed so that each interior space becomes a sensory experience. The house is structured as a series of volumes that merge together, aligned to respond to the environment. The west and south are shielded from direct sunlight, while the north and east open to the garden, allowing ventilation and cooling. The traditional open-to-sky courtyard is reinterpreted as a landscape platform with an operable skylight, a central element that connects interior and exterior, opening to release hot air and bringing filtered light throughout the day. The roof planes vary in height and volume. Each space receives its own light through large openings and motorized glass panels in the skylights, which lift to expel hot air. The interiors of Hosapete Mane House feature muted finishes that drape the architectural shell, accentuating the geometry and providing warmth and comfort to the spaces. Materiality is part of the narrative. Concrete, local wood, textured surfaces. The finish does not hide anything. Geometry, joints, and cut edges are all visible. Circulation follows an L-shaped layout, connecting living areas, family spaces, kitchen, puja room, study, and bedrooms. The more enclosed spaces offer refuge, while the more open areas invite views toward the garden and sky. At certain times of day, light is intense. At others, shadows are soft. Textures reveal themselves: rough concrete, naturally stained wood, and the subtle sheen of light reflecting off panels. The house is designed to modulate natural light and maintain thermal comfort, even in Hospet's hot climate. Hosapete Mane House demonstrates that architecture can respond to climate without sacrificing fluidity, beauty, or comfort. A home that breathes, that lives with its surroundings, balancing form, function, and the natural environment.